This demonstration is showing you how to create or design a motif. Now I have a grid drawn up with the circles and some guidelines on there, but to put this on your quilt, you could also use the ultimate stencils from Cindy Needham that are also available on my website. So I'm just going to create some guidelines here on the quilt top, and I would use this to stitch as well, and just lining up my center to create this to guide me. And then I'm going to use the 4 lines at 45 degrees, so just to help me. And I will use the all-in-one starter ruler because it has so many choices for me to use. Right, this is a petal design, just using all the 45-degree lines. And just eyeballing it to where the circle falls on the outer circle. And I would also then create a secondary design just by using the same template, but just lining it up to a different circle. And we get that design. I would repeat this and to get overlapping, but we could do this slightly different in that we make it look as though it is sitting behind. And we keep repeating. Until you have created your overlapping design. Now, of course, this can be quilted, or it also could be used as a embroidery stitchery design. It's just a simple mandala. And you're using the guidelines to create your design. Now, wouldn't this look lovely? I'll take the that away. I'll turn that upside down so you can see that little block design. And you could turn around and do some fills in the middle, or create some negative space by filling it in if you so choose. But isn't that a sweet little design? created simply by having a set of guidelines, and I've printed this one out. You can also, as I said, I prefer to use the stencils from Cindy Needham, and you can just chalk this onto your quilt top. Draw up one on the side so that you know exactly where you're going and which areas you're using or guidelines you are using, and you can come up with some beautiful designs to either stitch or quilt or even applique.